How to delete all YouTube comments at once. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your YouTube account. Now once in there, tap on the profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now here simply tap on the settings option available at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on the Manage All History option available inside the settings. Once you do so, you can see options available on your screen. Now from the above at top tab options, tap on the interactions, then tap on the comments and replies option available there, and you will get to see all the comments and replies available here. I do not have any comments on my YouTube channel, so there is none. If you have, then you will get to see clear all option available there. Simply tap on it and delete all. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.